For me, children. Okay, can you hear me, grade 1?
Yes.
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 Thumbs up nga, thumbs up, if you can hear me. Wait,
Yeah.
wait first. Yan. Ito mo na para mag-iit. Okay, dear God, thank you for this day. Help us. Thank you for our parents. God, in Jesus' name. So, start now. I'm sorry, teacher, ha? Kasi may nawala yung internet. Okay. Can you see what is on the screen? Can you read? If you can see.
Kita ko yung PowerPoint.
Okay, can you read children what is on the screen?
Yan.
Wala. Stop sharing ko muna. I'm sorry. Okay, now, see what is on the screen, children? May nakikita?
Yes. Down here.
Read.
Yep, I'm there. Joey.
Can you read, Ellie?
Going about he and she and it.
Okay, so today children learn about he and it. One. So we're going to read 8 kinds of okay, now, number 1. Try to read. Follow this line of so do we read this word? Kneel. 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 Kneel is a basketball player. I will go by one hand. I will let you read. Ellie, you start, please. Neil is a basketball player. Can you read?
Teacher.
Tell first.
So yun yung tinatawag natin pag-iwa.
Try to read.
Marami siyang focus. Ito na dito, sa tuwing dito tayo yun sa focus sa sakit.
Okay, okay. And again, children. Again, loud and clear na ba? Okay, let's try to read. Neil is a basketball player. Can you read, AJ? Can you read? Please read.
Neil is a basketball player. He plays very well.
Okay. Next, how about Zoe? Can you read, Zoe?
To read that.
Read everything. Read.
Kung bakit yan nararamdaman emosyon. Ngayon dito sa focus
Oh boy.
Read. Zoe, Neil. Okay, now. Let me read that.
What's up?
Neil is a basketball player. So what is he?
Hello.
Is he a boy or a girl? The answer. Take a look at the picture. He is playing. Yes,
Boy.
he is a boy. That is why we are going to use this word. And how do we read it? He. You say it, she and please say he. Okay. Listen, how about Elisa? How about the others? So you see, children, I'm referring to a boy. We are going to use the word he. Look at the picture. I want you to listen because we're going to answer. Who is this? Let us.
This is a dancer. She dances in
The program. We use the word she. Because on the picture, she is a what?
She is a girl.
She is a girl. Very good, AJ. AJ na pa student. Girl. Gawin na. Sada. Okay.
Masulat yun. Masulat
Ito. Iyan.
para kapag break na
Read please, AJ.
No. This is a pencil. It is long. Sino si this?
He said that it is. So this is a pencil. It the word because it's a pencil. It is an object as or material. It has no life. Sometimes we animals. I want. So did you know the words he, she, and it are pronouns? Again, what are pronouns? We have Kelly. No, because what are the pronouns? Those are words. Ay, sabi, bagong gising pa si Ed. How about AJ? What are those? What are those? How about Lisa? Here you go. Okay.
So, ito, number 2.
So sorry. Okay, get your NB2, children. NB2.
Sa community na, ito ay santi. At ano ba yung dahilan bakit ikinatuwa ng mga tao ito?
Alright. If you got your NB2, children, I want you to put it in your forehead. So I can see if you have it with you. Or if you don't have your NB2, you can just use paper. Okay, AJ's done. Good job. How about the others? If you don't have a notebook, use okay. All right, now for you to understand the pronouns, children, we are going to draw some. If we talk about it, we are talking about a boy or a girl. The answer is he. He is a. He is what? He is a boy. We say boy. Lala. Okay? So for you to understand, so get your NB to draw a boy. Or if you are a boy, yourself. For example, I have here
Tayo, kala ko mababaw.
okay.
Lang naman eh, ano ka ba yung talaga ko?
Ako naman.
Buti nga.
Ay, bolo. Bola.
Okay? So I want you to remember that when we are using a pronoun and we are talking to a boy, we're going to use he. He is writing, he is playing, he is a boy. Okay? 1 minute to draw. Go. Because you're going to share class. Chloe, pwede paper ha? Ay, paper lang, Chloe. Wow, thank you po. Yan, yan, lalaki. Ano po?
Yes.
Po.
Ano po?
Sige na, nagpapadrawing ako. Okay. Always remember, we only have 2 letters left. He. He is H. He is F. Okay. Almost done. Let me see if you are done.
You're not done yet.
Alright, let me see. Okay. Zoom mo. Zoom no. So your classmates see it. Okay, may blur effect, but great job, AJ. How about? Bingo. Alicia. Let me see your word. Like the word he. May he bang nakalagay? Let me see. Zoom mo pa. Ilapit mo po sa camera, please. Okay, I can see the center. Sa gitna. Ilagay sa gitna yung notebook. Okay, don't forget to write he. So you can remember that we are talking about or using the word he. It's only a boy, your father. Okay, next, Ellie, are you done? Let me see. All right, now let us move on. One. When do we use the word she? When we are talking about what? Who can answer kaya? When we are talking about she, we are talking to a...
She takes care.
What is she? She is a what?
She is a girl.
Very good.
She is a girl.
About a girl. Can you give me an example of a girl? How about give me a girl name? Huh? Give me some name. A name of a girl.
Agona.
Agona.
Ah, yes. Passive pa. Okay, everyone. That is AJ lang. AJ lang. You know, when you participate or recite, respond to your teacher. There's a point for that, you know. Okay, so since we are going to use the word she, so basically we're just going to draw a girl with a long hair and a bun. So to you children, I want you to draw a pretty girl. Don't forget to write the word she. And when we are talking about a girl, a woman, a mother, sister, any girl, we're just going to use the word she. Isha doing something that bingo. Drawing po tayo. Okay, let me stop sharing so you can see. I want you to draw a girl. Let me see, Bingo.
Handa na.
Let me see. How about Zoe? Zoe. Gian, very good. Gian. Good job. Yan ang gusto ni teacher. Tara. How about
Handa na.
very good. Of course. Ellie, Alicia, now, we are done. This is the last pronoun. Again. The first example. It was the boy. He is holding a pencil. So what is a pencil? Is it a thing or instrument? What is a pencil? Does it talk? Girl. Or materials or objects, anything. For example, this marker, your cell phone, your laptop, computer. Now, I want you to surprise me. I want you to take a look at your surroundings. Take a look at your surroundings and find a thing or material. I want you to draw it. Huh? So I'm going to draw an electric fan. What is the thing? We are talking about things. That means how good you are as a detective. You see, you're going to be a detective. You're going to surprise me. Elisha, I want you to take a look at your house. Tingin ka ng mga gamit. Okay, we say things. Yung mga gamit sa bahay. O, bingo. Something. I want. Okay, I'm going to guess your word. Okay, you're going to be detective, but I'm going to guess your word. Then 3, 2, 1, go. I'm going to draw it. Teacher. Okay. Ready, set, go.
I'm already done.
That's great. Let me see. Let me see. Guess your word.
So yung parang natin isang tingin na lang natin sa
So, I'm going to ask you later, what are the pronouns, some examples of pronouns? If you're listening. So, about 8 is going to surprise teacher. What is that? What is that?
It is a cell phone.
Oh,
Lagay ko na.
great sentence. Oh, great. Talking about So we're going to it is a dress. It is a beautiful dress. Can we say she is a beautiful dress? Yes or no? No. No. We are not. Okay, what do we use it? To think about things? How about the other? For the others? Let me see, Alicia. What did you draw? Let me see. Okay, what is that? Is that a T? Oh, is that a TV? Wow. So what should we say? It is a TV. He is a TV. What do you think is the correct sentence? It is a TV, yes or no? Alicia, is it a yes or a no? Huh? It is a TV. How about G? Zoe, for children. To get GRS, so you can read with me. Open to page 147. What are the numbers? The three numbers, we have 1, 4, 7. We read this as 147. Okay, let's have a quick review also when we are talking about now. Now, it could or it just surrounds because when we say now of a person, animal, food. So when
Hello.
147, there's just Alicia, you can do it. Sige nga. The 3 numbers, 7. You try to
I'm here.
okay, very good. I want you since you open page 47, I want you to read it. What do we have? It says number 1. Marvin seeds. It's in the picture. He is a boy. So what is Marvin? Are we going to who is Marvin? Are we going to he or she?
Boy.
He is a boy and he plants some seeds. Louisa waters plants. What should we she or he? What's the answer? Is it he or he? We're talking about Louisa.
Okay, very good. Focus sa gamit. So,
Oh, Zoe. 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 Can you hear me, Zoe?
Ang grupo natin yung ito naman ang
Please answer this one. I want you to listen. How waters the plant? He waters the plant or she waters the plants? What is the correct sentence for that? Is it he or she? Oh, correct pronoun. How about Abby? What do you think?
She.
We're talking about Louisa. What do you think? Bingo. We're talking about Louisa.
Ordinary girl.
He or she? Talking about a girl. How about Gian? Are we going to use he? She. Are we going to use he or she? Oh, what is happening? You're not taking this class. You are not willing to.
She.
You're not willing to learn, children.
Ano pala yun?
AJ, please tell your classmates. What is the correct answer? We are talking about
Hindi mo sa correct answer daw. He or
he or
she.
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 Very good, AJ. AJ lang ata may gusto ng medal. Now, instead of saying bingo is eating, bingo is playing, bingo is writing. It's not good. So here, no, if we keep on repeating, so that is why we are going to use this row. Just remember the three examples. He, she, it. Can you say it? He, it. Very good. Can you say it out?
What is the plant?
Number 2.
What is the plant?
What English hear me?
Hindi number 3.
What age? What are the three pronouns? Some examples of the
The
pronouns.
plant is growing now. It
Have he,
is
it. Can you say it?
growing.
Huh?
There are the three examples of the pronouns. We have a lot, but we only focus on the three, okay? What are the three examples?
Ano yan kay Zoe?
Ano ba ito?
He, she, it.
Sorry.
Basahin mo nga ito, baby.
See it. How about Ellie? Ellie, we're running out of
Huh?
the three examples of pronouns that I have mentioned. So,
I can't hear you that much.
okay, I'm sorry. Pero, try to, i-loudspeaker mo. Kasi sabihin ko, naririnig ko. How about AJ? What are the three examples of pronouns?
Hindi, ano daw yung tatlong pronouns?
Arvin had
No, tatlong pronouns.
He,
He,
Lisa.
he,
He, she,
ano ba?
and it.
very good, AJ. How about Elisa? What are the three examples of pronouns? What are the three examples? We only have three children. Sabi ko na sentence is just a word, little words. What is happening? How about Jenny? Sorry po. How about Zoe? Zoe, what are the three examples of pronouns? You can.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Again, Again. What are the three examples of pronouns you see, children? It's just only three words. I keep on repeating. What are those? He. Ko lang. He, she, it. So, you see, children, laughing answer. Page. Okay, again, going to. I want you to answer this one after your class. Reading early. I'm going to remind you that you need to answer using your. You see, children, you need to be serious for you. Especially this nouns. Because this is a conversation. Okay. Page 149 to 150. Well, so when we talk about when we are talking to a boy, we're going to use he. A girl, we're going to use the word he. And when we are talking about things, we're just going to use it. Okay? So since we still have time, we still have 4 minutes left. I want you to answer this one, Just picture, madali lang. Always remember, it is not only about things, it can also be an animal or animal. And any living things, for example, plants. Okay, you ready? Just write the word he, she, it. Let me see your understanding. Try to answer, Bingo. Here, here's your book. Oh. Bingo, come here. Tell him how it's got yung he. Bye. It, ayun, or. Okay, let me see how smart are you, children. If you are done, AJ, proceed to the next page, please. I will check this one, huh? I that one. Probably this one. Okay. Elisha nagsasagot. Elisha. 149 siya. It's three numbers. 1, 4, 9. Ayan, ayan. Yes po. You're going to write 50 based on the picture, okay? You need to be serious, children. Your exam is next week. Next month. Next month. Yung long test next month. Then, next week. So you need to be serious in your stuff and have a high score. Good grades. And also we have some rules. If you are not doing something in your now I'm going to write the word undone. UNDO means you are not and no scores for that. No stars, no scores. Ah,
Teacher, I'm done.
see if you got it correctly. You see Bingo is answering now? It's changing. No, come here. Dito ka personally. Let me see your word. I mean, you need to answer in your book. Okay. We have one left. It's time for us to pray, children. Okay. Make sure Elisha na magsasagot. Also the others. First, please stop what you're doing now. Okay, dear God, because we are now done in our online class. Please, Lord God, help these children to be serious in their studies, that they can understand. So we are in distance and we are this like God is we don't know how to so that you can just pray also to God. Okay, goodbye.